Atenta. Yoga, meditation, sleep. We help people all over the world to reach mindfulness. Learn mindfulness and discover breathing, power nap, relaxed cooking, and mindful reading.
Hi, my name is Mila, and welcome to our yoga class. This practice will help you feel more open, energized, and ready for the day. Let's begin. We'll start in a standing position at the front of our mat. Please make sure that your feet hip-width apart. Open your chest and shine your palms to the front. Let's take a deep inhale here. Sigh out of your mouth. On your next inhale, circle your arms wide up. Bring your gaze slightly up. On your exhale, circle your arms wide down. This time, hinge at your hips and fold forward. Keep slight bend in both of your knees. Relax your neck, release your head down. On your exhale, fold over your thighs. Keep slight bend in both of your knees. On the inhale, with flat back, come all the way up. Circle your arms up. On the exhale, release your arms wide down. Well done. Let's do this one more time. Inhale. And exhale, release down. This time will be a bit different. Inhale, come to a halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Place your hands on the floor and step your left foot to the back of your mat. So make sure that your right knee is above your right ankle and your feet still hip-width apart and they do not cross each other. On the inhale, bring your arms up. And exhale, stay here, soften. Tuck your tailbone in, like your hips reaching to the front. Relax your shoulders down. Take one more deep inhale. On the top, hold your breath in. This time, on your exhale, release your left heel down. Turn your hips to the side and open your arms wide with palms facing down, warrior two. Let's take an inhale. Exhale, soften, sink deeper. This time, on your exhale, straighten your right knee, reach your left hand to your left thigh and bring your right arm up and over. Stay here, pause. This time on the inhale, rebend your knee, bring your elbow to your knee and your left arm up and over. Stay here. Turn your chest more to the sky. If that's okay for your neck, bring your gaze to the sky. Turn your chest more to the sky. Let's take one more deep inhale. Sigh out of your mouth. Release, let go. On your next inhale, first look down, then windmill your hands down. Lift your right heel off the floor and slide your left foot to the back of your mat, coming into downward facing dog. Take an inhale here. On your exhale, bend your knees. Bring your sit bones closer to the floor. Let's take one more inhale. Exhale, release your hands down. Step your feet to the back. Release your knees down and walk your hands to your knees. Sit on your heels. This time, extend both of your legs and join the soles of your feet together. Bend your knees to the sides. Let's just lie down on our mat. So bring your feet a bit wider than your hips. Flip your palms open to the sky. Bring your hands a bit wider than your shoulders. Close your eyes. Relax your eyebrows, your cheeks. Soften your lower jaw. Let your body sink into your mat. Relax, soften completely. You may stay here as long as you want. Thank you for practicing with me. I'll see you next time.
Download Atenta Yoga app and dive deeper into your wellness journey.